The purpose of our coming here today is to continue with our strong association with the Kingdom of Busoga. As listeners and viewers may know, we have enjoyed a lot of cordial relationship with the people of Busoga in our entire 19 years of existence as a political organization. This relationship can only grow from strength to strength. And therefore, in strengthening this kind of relationship, we come here today to directly associate ourselves with a very, very important event that is going to happen on the 18th of this month, and that is the royal wedding. I must say that this is a function or an activity that happens once in many years. And of course, in insinuating that our Kyabazinga is going to live many, many years. Yes. And therefore, there's going to be no royal wedding very soon. We, as the FDC, have come to offer support to the function that will be taking place on the 18th, and to wish the Kyabazinga and his dear wife happy marriage as they steer the Kingdom of Busoga from strength to strength. The Cathedral of Busoga, the FDC, has collected a humble contribution of 10 million shillings that we now have the greatest honor of handing over to you on behalf of my delegation that has made it to this function, but also on behalf of the entire FDC fraternity, both locally and in the diaspora. Thank you very much. This is not going to be the end of our contribution towards this function. Yes. We are going to trigger our chapters, especially in Busoga, to collect money locally. Yes. And I am glad that we have our leaders here. You should go from county to county, collecting contribution for what I believe is going to be really massive, massively attended activity. Yeah. We wish you success as you prepare for this, and we pray that the Almighty blesses that day on the 18th of this month, and that may the Kyabazinga grow in terms of numbers. Yes. Thank you. And that to our daughter, that she takes care of the king well. And to the king, take care of your better half well. Mwewale ino. Kyabazinga fumfuwe. Kyabazinga fumfuwe. I need to receive this one. Okay. Thank you, my brother. Thank you very much. Do accept our humble contribution to this very, very important function. Thank you very much. With pleasure. You know we are very accountable. There is your money. You can count. So we can take our seats. Ladies and gentlemen, ndikwenda otwala omukisa guno okusooka okwebaza mukulu wange, Honorable mukulu wange, from the time we met in school and now in Parliament and now in the party. First, to congratulate you upon your re-election as the President of FDC, and to thank my team from Busoga, and to thank for the FDC that your Vice President from Busoga, Vice Chairman from Busoga, is also a member of one of my cabinets. So, and I can also see Mr. Magumba, who is my Maganda, who is my clansmate. Then I can see the Speaker of Jinja, who is my young brother. Then I can see my sister from Iganga. So it looks like you are surrounded by people who are surrounded by me. Yeah. So we thank you for coming. I am sorry for the mix-up in the program. I did expect yesterday and today, but given the importance of this contribution, I have had to come here running to ensure that we receive it.
obwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga is so grateful that you have associated with us. You know that you have a lot of your supporters in Busoga.
As Movit Products Limited, we have up to a consumer base of 7 million people in the Kingdom of Busoga who dearly and committedly support us through many different ways. Our distributors in that region, the different shops and supermarkets, and the different partners that buy and stock our products and resell them, and at the very end of the day, the consumers that actually buy all of these products. And so this is a very opportune moment for us to come back and partner with the kingdom that has so dearly prioritized local beauty and personal care manufacturing company and has participated in our growth all these 26 years. Movit Products started in 1997, and up until this day, our growth in the Busoga region has been year on year only uptrending. And so for us, this is a really big and opportune moment to partner with the kingdom in ensuring that on this joyous moment, we shall come in together and celebrate and share in the joy of the day. And so what are we bringing on for that very day? As Movit Products Limited, we shall be coming in on the wedding with 50 million shillings, 10 million shillings in cash, 30 million shillings is going to be in a setup of free salon dues on that particular day, one in Iganga, one in Bugembe Stadium, and another, the third, will be in the Kingdom Palace itself. So we shall be giving out free hairdos up to 500 people on that very day. And then the third package of the 50 million shillings is actually going to be 10 million shillings worth of products that will be given out that day, that comprises skin care and hair care as well as baby care products. So from our range, we have up to 7 brands, which is Movit, Radiant, Tropical Essence, Skin Guard.
Kiridde mukama wange gwe mumanyi nga Ham Amis Kigundu, CEO wa company ya Ham Enterprises. Nga mukama wange nga bwantumye ng'asiima nnyo ekigenda mu maaso mu baganda baffeeyo era ng'ali wamu nammwe okubaagaliza omukolo omulungi. Buno bwe bubaka bwampadde.
Oba ndegesa nemerera obubaka nga bunaatera otuuka banaye.
Awaddeyo miliyoni 10 olw'omukolo gugenda mu maaso, era n'abagamba abaagaliza birungi byereere buli kimu kibatambulire.